Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share this yam recipe with you. We call it Yamarita. Yes, you will love this. Okay, so just relax, enjoy this video, give it a try, and make sure you will subscribe. Share this video for me and click on the notification bell so that you always get notification for new videos. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is I'm just fetching some water and I'm going to add white vinegar to it. I will use it to wash my yam to prevent it from discoloring. Okay, so we are going to peel our yam. Please, if today is your first time, I want to say welcome. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and click on the notification bell. Okay. Okay, so I'm just dividing it into two, and then I'll just put the two into the water with vinegar, and I am going to slice it. Now you can slice it to any shape and size that you want, but make sure that you don't slice the sizes to be very tiny, because when you boil it, it might end up breaking. Okay, so just any shape. You can cut it this way or this way, you see. So just go for any size and shape that you want. So I'll slice some into this shape, and also I'll slice some into a straight shape. So something like this. Yes. Okay, so as you are doing this, you should have your water on fire with your salt boiling. Yes, because you are going to cook the yam. Okay, so back into the water, and then I'll wash it. So we are going to cook this, but we are not going to cook it 100%. No, about 70 to 80% will be okay. So our yam is ready. We'll just put off the fire and take everything from the water. Yes, and then when you take everything out, the next thing you do is you allow it to cool by itself. Let it cool before you start the next process or the next step. So I have my flour, I have some eggs, I have some dried parsley, my seasoning, and also I have some salt solution here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my seasoning to the flour. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Okay, you can even decide to add some veggies to it, like green pepper or bell peppers, onions, and those things. So I'm just adding some dried parsley to it. You can add some veggies to it if you prefer. And I'm cracking my eggs into a different bowl. Yes, please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Okay, and do what to leave a comment. And I just added some sauce solution to it, and I'm going to add my seasoning also to it. Yes. The flour, I didn't add salt to it, but you can choose to add a little bit of salt to the flour. Okay, and so what we are going to do is we are going to coat our yam. Our yam has cooled down very well, so just take it and put it into your egg mixture. You can also decide to put it into the flour, coat it with the flour before you put it into the egg mixture. You can decide to do one coating or double coating. I decided to do double coating. Okay, so from the egg mixture, I'll take it straight to the flour mixture, apply the flour on it all over, and then I'm going to take it back into the egg mixture. As I said, I'm doing double coating. You can choose to do just single coating. Then I'll take it to the flour again and then apply flour on it, and that'll be okay. Yes, that'll be okay. So I'll set it aside, and I'll do the same for all. You can also, if your yam is the bitter type, try and cook it with a little bit of sugar to give it some taste. Okay. So please subscribe, click on the notification bell, like and share this video. At this time, you have your oil on fire, let it be hot, but make sure you fry this on a medium heat. Okay, so all the same, yes, and we are going to fry this. Yes, as I said, your oil should be hot and you should fry this on a medium heat. Okay, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for passing by. Please make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell. Like this video for me, do well to share. And so you will be turning to realize that our yam has turned into golden brown, well fried. Then we'll take it out of the oil straight to our kitchen towel. Yes. And then yes, so after taking everything out, I'm going to add the second batch also to it, and that one too is ready. Yes, so take everything out. And so this is our Yamarita. You will love this. Okay, hey, give this a try. You will like it. You are going to love it. So just give it a try. You can eat it like that or serve it with some green chili sauce. Yes, and you will enjoy it. You can also choose to add some nice fried fish also to it. This recipe is awesome. Give it a try. You can add some fried fish or chicken or any meat or protein of your choice. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.